Is this 15/16 and the bottom one's not? I don't get it. Job of the day. Customer didn't latch the ball on to the coupler, or they did, and they had it locked and they put it on top of the ball. It came off. So I'm going to put new safety chains and an adjustable 2 5/16 coupler on it. Let's get it. Front fell off. All right, I got the plate cut out. I got everything grounded up. I put a spot for the safety chain mounts. I'm gonna weld this plate on and weld the adjustable channel on that. I got everything welded out. Did probably about 4 passes to make sure everything was nice and put on there. Safety chain mounts are on. Safety chain mounts are on. Painted black. Put everything together, and then I need to get a new breakaway kit for him because the breakaway kit just fucking came off after the trailer hit the ground. And then put a new 7-way plug on the front and make sure everything's good. Paint this thing black. Put the coupler on. Coupler is on. And let's hit it. Top is tight. Come on. Is this 15/16 and the bottom one's not? I don't get it. Oh, there we go. Fasteners on and tight. Let's get the safety chains on. And then cotter key through. Come on. Cotter key is on. Safety chains on. Cotter key through. And bent. Safety chains. New safety chains, new coupler. I'm gonna go grab a new breakaway kit for him and then wire in all of his lights, because here are all the lights, and put a new 7-way plug on the front. But I'll be right back. All right, making up a new 7-way plug for the trailer. Got my bouquet going. I'm going to put everything on the terminals. Blue to blue, white to white. I'm gonna go color to color on this and then change the color on the trailer. So yellow's gonna be left turn, green will be right turn, all that good stuff. All eyelets are connected. I'm gonna put the 7-way over the top of that, wire it into the trailer, and then I gotta put this new breakaway kit onto the trailer as well. And it was a terrible day to not bring my pop-up. Slowly but surely getting everything wired up. I got all the grounds going to the trailer. This is the brakes. I got the brakes going to the breakaway. This is gonna go to the breakaway kit. And then I'm putting wire on brake wire and just slowly putting everything together and shrink wrap it up. We're gonna go brown to green, green to brown, brown to green, green to brown, yellow to red. Yellow on here is just backup. That doesn't go to anywhere. This purple is run to black in the 7-way plug, so that's going to be the charge line. So it needs charge on this, charge on that. Maybe this will fit over that. Well, not. Gonna go 10 gauge over the top of everything. Good, good. This breakaway goes to this breakaway here. Everything's roughed in. Let's see if the lights and wiring work. Our marker lights are on and working. Good, good. Good, marker lights are on, yes. Do right turn is on and working. Left turn is on and working. Back to marker lights, yes, yes. Marker lights are working. It looks like we have wiring got hit and the shackle links need to be changed out. So let's get this up in the air and change shackle links out. All right, shackle links are all blown out, so I'm changing those. Got bushings are still good. They're still good, so I'm gonna put that back together. Wiring got smashed, so I need to figure out a better way to route the wiring, and then I can see if the brakes are working. Front driver's on, rear driver's on. 7/8, 7/8. Let's hit it. Tight, tight. Come on, tight. Smidge. Good. And shackle links are on. I need to reroute this wiring somehow. Got the brakes roughed in. Wiring's obviously not where it needs to be on the last final, but front spinning, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, rear free spinning, locked up, brakes are off, free spinning. Cool. Well, let's get these wires up and out of the way somewhere. All right, I got wires up and out. I'm gonna shrink wrap the butt connectors. Brakes are working. Got new shackle links, new bolts. Did not need bushings, and the equalizer was still good. Good, this side done. Let's put tires and wheels on. Tires and wheels all back on. Pulling my don't die and moving to the passenger side. I just gotta see if the shackle links need to be changed on that. I can see it from here. No, change those out. Tires and wheels are coming off. For the change these shackle links out. Make sure brakes are working. Grab my remote. Wiring looks good. Wiring looks good. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are off. Free spinning. free spinning, brakes are on, brakes are off. Free spinning, perfect. Shackle links off, hammer is off. Hammer, hammer. Good, good, and good. Look at shackle links. Shackle links are blown out, and blown out. Let's change these out. Bushings are still good, surprisingly. Everything just went to the shackle link itself. Brakes are good on this side, everything's working. We're gonna do 4 new shackle links, 4 new bolts and nuts, tighten it down, put tires and wheels back on. Help if I grab the correct wrench for this. 13/16. There we go. Tighten on, back off just a smidge. Good, good. Tight, smidge. Come on, tight. Perfect. Shackle links on both sides are done. Let's get the tires and wheels back on. Tires and wheels are back on passenger side. All right, back to the front to finish up the wiring. Everything's roughed in correctly. Everything works. All brakes work on the rear. I had to change out some shackle links, so that took me a little bit. But everything's wired in, breakaway's wired in. Let's get all this shrunk wrap. Butt connectors are all shrunk wrap. Everything's zip tied. Everything's nice and clean. New breakaway kit on there. Everything's golden. New safety chains. New bolt. New adjustable 2 5/16 coupler. I did new shackle links. I do need. He showed me where it broke. I didn't even see this when I was first welding, but it broke right here. So I'm gonna push that in, weld it up so it doesn't just flop around. But new shackle links. It's coming up on the year last time I did the service, so I need to let him know probably around January, February to come back out, bust out bearings, check brakes. But I did check his rockers were okay, his shackle links, his bolts were changed out. I rerouted the wiring on the driver's side because it got smashed in the suspension. All lights and wiring work, all brakes work. Only thing I have left is re-welding this to the trailer. All right, just gotta push this back on and weld it. And broken piece, weld it back on, and I self-tap that back into the metal. And torquing lug nuts. Driver's side first. Driver's side front done, rear is done. Do passenger side front. Front done, rear is done. Lug nuts torqued. Do the rundown on this. All new wiring in the front, new breakaway box, new adjustable coupler. New safety chains. The patch I did a little while ago, still holding strong, holding water, nice and strong, not lifting up whatsoever. New shackle links, new bolts, new nuts. Bushings were fine, didn't need to change those out, and I'll have to schedule out for doing a service on this. This one's done, I'm on to the next.